1. Meeting new people.
Hi there, I'm Leo.
Hey, Leo. I'm Zara. Great to meet you.
Great meeting you too. So, where are you from?
I'm from sunny Spain. And you?
I'm from snowy Canada.
Oh, that's so cool. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's lovely. What about you?
I think it's nice too. Very charming.
So, what do you do?
I'm studying at university. And you?
I teach.
Wow, that's amazing. What subject?
I teach English. Are you learning English?
Just a little. I'm picking it up bit by bit.
That's awesome. How long have you been studying?
It's been 6 months now.
Your English is really impressive.
Thank you. I make sure to practice every day.
That's how you improve. You're doing great.
Thanks. It's been nice talking to you.
Same here, Zara. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Leo. Take care.
2. Daily routine.
When do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30. How about you?
I get up at 7 o'clock. What's next?
I usually brush my teeth and shower. You?
Same here. Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I usually have cereal. What about you?
I prefer toast and eggs.
Sounds good. How do you get to work?
I take the bus. And you?
I walk. My office is pretty close.
That's convenient. What time do you start?
I start at 9 a.m.
I finish at 5 o'clock. And you?
I usually go to the gym after work.
Nice. Do you exercise often?
Sometimes I also enjoy reading. You?
I read too. What time's dinner for you?
Around 7 o'clock. How about you?
I eat around 8 o'clock. Do you cook?
Not much. I often order food. You?
I like to cook daily. It's fun.
That's awesome. What time do you go to bed?
Usually by 10:30. And you?
Around 11 o'clock. Early start, so I need rest.
True. It was nice chatting with you.
Same here, Leo. Have a great day.
3. Asking for help.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I'm new here and looking for the library.
Oh, welcome. The library's close by.
That's great. How do I get there?
Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
All right. Go straight down this street.
How far should I go?
Walk about 2 blocks, then turn right.
What should I see after I turn?
You'll spot a big red building.
Is that the library?
Not exactly, but it's right next to it.
Which side is it on?
The library will be on the left side.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the library.
4. Talking about family.
Do you have a big family?
Not really. You?
I have a small family too. Any siblings?
Yes, just one brother.
I have 2 sisters. Are you married?
No, still single. You?
I'm married. Do you have any kids?
Not yet. How about you?
I have a son.
That's lovely. How old is he?
He's 3 years old. And your brother?
He's 25 now.
Do your parents work?
Dad does. Mom stays home. What about yours?
They're both retired now.
That's wonderful. Family time is precious.
Indeed. Nice talking about family.
Same here, Leo. Family is everything.
5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you help?
Sure, where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the post office.
It's not far from here. Let me guide you.
Great. How do I get there?
Are you walking or driving?
I'm walking.
Okay, go straight down this street.
How far is it?
Walk for about 2 blocks, then turn right.
What do I do after the turn?
You'll see a bank on the corner.
Is the post office near the bank?
Yes, it's right next to it.
Which side of the bank is it?
It's on the left side.
How long will it take to walk there?
It should take about 10 minutes from here.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 5 p.m.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
6. Work and school.
Are you a student?
No, I work. How about you?
I'm a student. What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What are you studying?
I'm studying biology.
That's interesting. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. How about you? Do you enjoy studying?
Most of the time, it can be tough.
I understand. What's your favorite subject?
I really like chemistry. It's fascinating.
That's great. I'm in my second year.
How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for 5 years now.
What subjects do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you have classes every day?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
I work Monday to Thursday. Fridays are free.
That's lucky. What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m. What time do your classes begin?
At 9 a.m.
When do you finish?
I finish at around 3 p.m.
I finish at 4 p.m. Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I work at a cafe on weekends.
Sounds busy. Do you enjoy it?
It's okay, and it helps with books.
7. Hobbies and interests.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. What about you?
I love sports. Do you play any?
Sometimes I play tennis. You?
I play football every weekend.
That sounds fun. What else do you like?
I also enjoy cooking. Do you cook?
Not really. I'm not great at it.
Cooking is easy to learn. You should try.
What else do you do?
I love watching movies.
Me too. What's your favorite genre?
I like comedies. What about you?
I prefer action movies.
Cool. Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I love hiking.
I've never tried it, but it sounds great.
You should definitely try it.
I also like taking photos,
Really? What do you like to photograph?
mostly nature and landscapes.
That sounds amazing. Can I see some pictures?
Sure, I'll show you later.
Great, it's fun sharing hobbies.
Yes, I've learned a lot about you.
Same here, Leo.
8. Making plans with friends.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. What's up?
Do you want to do something together?
Sure, that sounds fun. What do you have in mind?
How about watching a movie?
That sounds great. At the cinema or at home?
Let's go to the cinema.
Perfect. What day works for you?
Saturday evening?
Saturday is good. What time does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7:30. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Where should we meet?
How about we meet at the cinema at 7 o'clock?
Great idea. Should we invite anyone else?
Tom,
Tom would love that. I'll call him.
after the movie we can grab some food.
Sounds great. There's a nice pizza place nearby.
Pizza is always a good idea.
It's settled then. Saturday at 7 at the cinema, then pizza.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Saturday.
See you. Have a great day.
9. Asking about the time.
Excuse me, do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 2:15 p.m.
Thanks. I don't have my phone today.
No problem. Is something urgent?
I have a meeting at 2:30.
You've got time. There's 15 minutes left.
That's good. How far is the office?
It's about 5 minutes walking.
Great, I won't be late.
You'll make it on time for sure.
Do you work around here?
Yes, I work at the bank across the street.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
I usually finish at 6 p.m.
That's a long day. What time did you start?
I started at 9 a.m.
I see. Good luck with your meeting.
10. Places you've visited.
Have you traveled a lot?
Yes, I love traveling. What about you?
Me too. Where have you been?
I've been to France. How about you?
I went to Japan last year. Did you like it?
Yes, it was amazing. How was France?
It was beautiful. I love the food.
I saw the Eiffel Tower. It's huge.
Did you visit any museums?
Yes, I went to the Louvre.
That sounds interesting. My favorite place so far was Italy.
I want to visit Italy too. It sounds so rich in history.
When did you go there?
It was 2 years ago.
I've been to Canada. It's beautiful.
Canada must be amazing. What did you do there?
I went hiking in the mountains.
I like both cities and nature.
I prefer cities. I love exploring new places.
Me too. I want to visit Brazil next.
Brazil sounds great. I want to see Australia.
Yes, both are on my list. Let's plan trips together.
11. Talking about the weather.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. What about you?
It's a bit cloudy here, but not too bad.
That's nice. Do you like the sun?
Yes, I love sunny days. How about you?
I prefer cooler weather, actually.
Do you like rainy days?
Not really, but I do enjoy the sound of rain.
I like when it rains, especially at night.
Same here. It's peaceful.
What season do you like the most?
I love autumn. The colors are beautiful.
Autumn is nice. I love spring.
Spring is lovely too. Everything blooms.
Do you get snow in the winter?
Yes, we do. Do you like snow?
I do. It's so beautiful, but it gets very cold.
I don't mind the cold, as long as it's not too much.
I agree. Have a nice day, Zara.
You too, Leo. Stay warm.
12. Talking about food.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I really like sushi.
Sushi is great. What's your favorite type?
I like the classic rolls. How about you?
I enjoy sashimi a lot.
Sashimi is delicious. Do you cook?
I do, but I'm not great at it. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. I make pasta often.
That sounds good. I should try making pasta.
You definitely should. Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is the best. I love ice cream too.
Ice cream is perfect in summer.
Yes, I love it with fruit.
That's a great combination.
I enjoy trying different types of food.
Me too. I want to try new cuisines.
Same here. Let's plan a food tour someday.
That would be so much fun.
13. Talking about technology.
Are you into technology?
Yes, I love gadgets. What about you?
Same here. What's your favorite device?
I really like my tablet.
I love my laptop. What do you use your tablet for?
Mostly for reading and watching movies.
That's great. I use mine for work sometimes.
I like using apps on it.
I use a lot of apps too. Which ones do you use?
I use a lot of social media apps.
I use them too. Do you play games?
Sometimes mostly puzzles. How about you?
I play a lot of strategy games.
Cool. Do you have a favorite game?
Yes, I love chess.
Chess is a great game. I want to learn more.
We should play sometime.
That would be awesome. Let's set it up soon.
Yes, let's do it.
Looking forward to it.